Hi, it's Alex Gurkov, Kegel Training Center, and today I'd like to talk with you about how we can create more correct and more relaxing shoulder movements for two-handed players. A lot of time when I'm working with my two-handed students, I saw one thing. At the release moment, I'd like to see right shoulder for right-hand players dropping down, left shoulders move up. But sometimes I saw this movement. And let me give you like one very simple trick. Look, what the axis of rotation of my shoulders. This is my back direction, and it's very important, my neck direction too. This is natural movement of rotation of my shoulders. But if in my finish position for two-handed players we have huge tilt to the right, huge tilt forward, I'm trying to keep my face still in vertical position. It's very difficult for me to drop my shoulders and rotate my shoulders in correct direction. But if I create small tilt to the right for right-hand players, and you see now direction of my face and direction of my back, it's pretty close the same. Now my shoulders can rotate more relaxing, and now it's much more natural movement. So you can try, if you are two-handed players, a little bit change your face direction on the release moment, and I'm absolutely sure it's help you to create more natural shoulders position.